Eclipse Protocol is a go. Launch the drones. With cool composure, Agent Nova activates a highly sophisticated protocol from a state-of-the-art command center. This isn't just another day at the office, but a pivotal moment that could change the course of history. As Nova's voice echoes through the night, we transition to a skyscraper rooftop where a genius hacker known as Tech Wizard taps into the city's power grid. His fingers fly across the screen, a sly grin on his face as he quips, "Firewalls? More like firefalls." In the heart of an underground lab, a renegade scientist, Dr. ARIA, holds the key to our salvation. She cradles a vial of glowing serum, the culmination of years of research and sacrifice, a beacon of hope in our darkest hour. With a steady hand and a resolute heart, she injects the serum into a seemingly ordinary plant. Before our very eyes, the plant bursts into bloom, its radiant green leaves a testament to life's enduring will. The air around it shimmers, purified, renewed, for a greener tomorrow. Secure the perimeter! The command echoes, cutting through the pandemonium of the city streets. Rogue agents, faces masked by shadows, move with a deadly purpose. But they're not alone. From the chaos emerge our heroes, Agent Nova and Tech Wizard. Their entrance is as swift as it is unexpected. Agent Nova, cool and composed, her eyes as sharp as a hawk's, takes in the situation. Tech Wizard, young and brimming with rebellious energy, grins, his fingers dancing over his portable device. The confrontation is inevitable. The city streets become their battleground. The air crackles with tension as a stunning display of martial arts and high-tech gadgetry unfolds. Each move, each countermove, a testament to their skill and resolve. The rogues, taken by surprise, falter, then fall. As the dust settles, Tech Wizard, panting, looks at Agent Nova, a newfound respect in his eyes. "You're not so bad yourself, old-timer." "The antidote's working. We did it." With these words echoing in their ears, our heroes find themselves back in the heart of the command center. The air is filled with a palpable sense of relief and triumph. They've done it again. They've saved the world from the brink. From every corner of the room, data streams in, painting a picture of a world stabilizing, recovering. The lights of the city flicker back to life. The air tastes fresher, cleaner. It's not just a victory for them, but for everyone. For every life that will continue to breathe, to thrive, to dream. They stand together, a team united by their shared mission and their unwavering dedication. Their faces may be worn from the battle, but their spirits are unbroken. They've faced the impossible and emerged victorious. They've proven once again that when the world is on the line, they won't back down. We saved the world again.